ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్ మహాకుంభ్ 2025లో జరిగింది. ఇన్ విచ్ మహామృత్యుంజయ యంత్ర 52 inches has also been kept. Next, Best Tableau Award 2025. Ayodhya Temple Museum, Tata has given 600 crores. Zero Poverty Mission Tableau Award and the Semicon India 2024 at Noida, and Scotch Award for Police. Next, SLCR River Restoration Project, and Sanskrit University Vedic 3D Museum. And also ఇక్కడ మధ్యప్రదేశ్లో రేవా ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఈ రేవా ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ ఎక్కువ సిగ్నిఫికెన్స్ చూపించారు because most of the tourists travel here only. And then also another thing in Uttar Pradesh is smart city. It also has planted 11 lakh trees in one day and recorded the Guinness record. Vistadon Jungle Safari Trail. Vistadon Jungle Safari Trail. Mitravanam Route. This is all about the Uttar Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh Parshuram Kund. It is famous. And next, Pema Khandu. His BJP is very strong. He is third time CM in Arunachal Pradesh. Next, in Assam, Lohit is a river from Tibet, joins Brahmaputra at Sadia, Assam. Lohit. Long Tea Festival on Lohit. Nishi tribe. Next, Sikkim. Kechishapari wetland. It is a Ramsar site. And here Buddhist monks dance at Karyad and Losar festivals. Losar is a Tibet New Year and Lusing is Sikkim New Year.